Are you tired of wasting hours digging through backlink data without knowing what matters? Learn to check backlinks on Semrush in under 3 minutes. We'll start by setting up your project in Semrush, then walk through each step to analyze backlinks, from traffic to authority scores. Start by heading to your Semrush folders to keep your data organized. Then, press the search logo to begin your analysis. Now, click on Backlinks in the left sidebar. You'll see the free Backlink Checker tool. Take a moment to review it. Go ahead and type in the domain you want to check. Once that's done, click on Analyze to run the report. Review this section to see the traffic data for your domain. Then click on Authority Score to examine that metric. Next, click on Referring Domains to see how many sites link to you. After that, switch to the Backlinks tab to check individual links. Finally, click on Network Graph to visualize your backlink profile. If you have any feedback or if any info is inaccurate, please leave a comment below. We'll do our best to answer or redo the video if needed. Thanks for watching.